Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into the Zangi Private Messenger app step by step. If you already have an account and want to access it on your device, this guide will help you sign in quickly. Let's get started. Zangi Messenger is a private messaging application that allows users to send messages, make voice calls, and share files with strong privacy and low data usage. Here's how to log into your account. Step 1. Install the Zangi app. First, download and install the Zangi Messenger app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app on your phone. Step 2. Tap on Login. When the app opens, you will see the welcome screen. Tap the Login or Sign In option. Step 3. Enter your phone number or Zangi ID. Now enter the phone number or Zangi ID that is linked to your account. Make sure to select the correct country code if required. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Zangi may send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code in the verification field to confirm your identity. Step 5. Access your account. Once the verification is complete, the app will log you in automatically. You will now be able to access your chats, contacts, and settings. Step 6. Sync your contacts. After logging in, Zangi may ask for permission to access your contacts. Allow the permission if you want to easily find friends who use the app. Important tip: if you cannot log in, check your internet connection and make sure you entered the correct phone number or Zangi ID. And that's it. That's how you log into the Zangi Private Messenger app step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical messaging app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.